Nature seriously messed up these animal sounds. The last animal will have you in tears. This pufferfish sounds like a broken dog toy. But don't laugh yet. Because this alpaca sounds like someone getting kidnapped. Why is it screaming like that and somehow it gets worse? Listen to this shoebill stork. Why does it sound like a machine gun? At this point, you'd think nature couldn't get any weirder. Then geese enter the chat. Pure anger, zero thoughts. But the capybara at the end should not sound like this.